How to apply New Zealand work visa online from Dubai. To apply for a New Zealand work visa online from Dubai, you need to use the Immigration New Zealand website. First, create a RealMe account to access the online application. Make sure you have all the required documents ready before starting. Start by choosing the right visa. If you have a job offer from a New Zealand employer, you might apply for the Essential Skills Work Visa. If your employer is accredited by Immigration New Zealand, you could go for the Accredited Employer Work Visa. Other options include the Skilled Migrant or Entrepreneur visas, depending on your situation. Next, gather your documents. This usually includes your valid passport, a job offer letter, proof of qualifications, and sometimes an IQA if your qualifications are from outside New Zealand. You might also need police certificates, proof of funds, medical checks, or English test results, depending on the visa. Once your RealMe account is set up, go to the Immigration New Zealand website, find the correct visa form, fill it out, upload your documents, and pay the fee. After submitting, you can track your application online through your RealMe account. Some applicants might need to send in their original passport or complete extra forms, especially for paper applications or specific nationalities. For the most accurate guidance, always refer to the Immigration New Zealand website.